Hi, Evan Roush out here at Gym City Ford Lincoln, Quincy, Illinois. Here behind me I have a 2015 Toyota Camry that we're getting ready to do a walk around on. Here we go. This is the 2015 Toyota Camry SE, silver exterior. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Just under 53,000 miles. Does have 4 brand new tires on it. Got a backup camera. Taking a look at the trunk room. The back seats do fold down for extra cargo room if needed. Back seat, the design on here, super comfortable as well. Driver's seat is 10-way power seat with lumbar support. There is the exact miles, just under 53,000. Nice touchscreen monitor here, cruise control right here, Bluetooth. This controls the audio system. Do have a moon roof as well that does open up. There is the backup camera. Wrapped up the walk around on this beautiful 2015 Toyota Camry SE. Again, under 53,000 miles, and we've got a selling price on this at $15,673.